Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best leather softener is probably one of the most sought-after products for leather enthusiasts and owners of leather goods, promising to restore the supple feel and beauty of their cherished items. This comprehensive review will delve into the top contenders on the market, examining their effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value, helping you make an informed decision on which product best suits your needs and budget, ensuring your leather goods remain in top condition for years to come. Number 5. Leather Honey Conditioner. For over 50 years, Leather Honey has been the trusted choice for leather care. It's the perfect solution to keep your leather looking its best. It deeply penetrates to protect new leather and restore dry, old leather. This conditioner is non-toxic and free of harsh chemicals. Soften and moisturize leather furniture, car seats, shoes, and more. It works wonders on all colors, including white leather. This time-tested formula protects your leather from the elements. It's non-sticky, fragrance-free, and water-repellent. Made with high-quality, non-toxic ingredients. It's safe for people, pets, and your valuable leather goods. Provides 6 months of protection. Leather Honey is proudly made in the USA. Our premium formula has a cult following among leather experts and enthusiasts. What we like? This product is non-toxic and made in the USA, so it's safe for you, your family, and your leather goods. Its long-lasting formula provides 6 months of protection. If you value quality, safety, and a product that truly stands the test of time, this is the one for you. What people say. Used on my sofa and love seat. Looks brand new and very soft. I used it after cleaning my favorite leather shoes, and the results were incredible. They look as good as new. The conditioner gave the leather a soft, muted shine that's elegant and not overly glossy. It doesn't leave any sticky residue, just a smooth and natural finish. After now 4 coats, my leather jacket is back to normal. Number 4. Chemical Guys SPI_109_16 Kit. This kit is your secret weapon for restoring leather. It's perfect for everything from car interiors to your favorite leather jacket. First, it deeply cleans, removing dirt and oils. Then, it conditions, leaving your leather soft, supple, and smelling great. It's about revitalizing your leather. It helps prevent cracking and fading, keeping your leather looking its best for years to come. The cleaner is pH balanced, colorless, and odorless, so it's gentle on all types of leather. The conditioner adds a subtle, luxurious scent. Chemical Guys is known for top-quality car care, but this kit is perfect for all your leather needs. It's a brand you can trust. From furniture and shoes to bags and jackets, this kit has you covered. Give your leather the care it deserves. What we like? This kit offers both a cleaner and conditioner, ensuring a deep clean and luxurious feel. The pH-balanced formula is gentle on all leather types, while the subtle leather scent leaves your items smelling fresh. If you're looking for a complete leather care solution that leaves your items smelling and feeling amazing, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Interior looks great now. Definitely need to keep up on moisturizing, and make it a routine. Easy to use, great quality, the product really cleaned up and conditioned my leather handbags. Just after cleaning one section of a very dirty seat, you can really see the difference in the condition of the leather. The leather felt softer, more supple, even better than I remember it being when she first got the car. Number 3. FootMatters Boot and Shoe Spray. Tired of tight shoes? This spray softens and stretches leather, suede, nubuck, and canvas. Get the perfect fit with ease. It's time to make your favorite boots and shoes more comfortable. This spray will gently stretch the material for a better fit. Whether your shoes are made of leather, suede, nubuck, or canvas, it works wonders. It's versatile and effective on a wide range of materials. Simply spray it on, and let it work its magic. It's easy to apply and requires minimal effort for maximum comfort. This isn't your average shoe spray. It's a professional-grade formula designed to deliver superior results. Experience the difference. Finally, enjoy the comfort of perfectly fitting shoes. It helps break in new shoes and revitalizes older ones. What we like? This professional-grade spray stretches and softens leather, suede, and nubuck. It's perfect for breaking in new boots or reviving stiff leather. If you need a specialized product to stretch and soften various leather types, this is your solution. What people say. I literally just sprayed the inside and the outside of these boots, put the boot stretchers in and stretched the crap out of them. Left them for a couple of hours. They seemed mostly dry. I took out one of the boot stretchers and put my foot in, and holy guacamole. It was like night and day. The width is absolutely perfect now. So comfortable. I sprayed, rubbed and wiped and walked around my house a bit. OMG. Immediate results. Within 5 minutes, I could feel relief. Not 100%, but way better than it was. Have used on a few different leather shoes and the results have always been positive. Easy to use, spray the inside and outside of the part needing stretched, put in the shoe stretcher and let sit for a day or two, tightening the stretcher a couple times. Product hasn't affected the colors of shoes it has been used on. Number 2. Soft Sole Mink Oil Leather Conditioner. Give your leather a deep conditioning treatment. It will help keep it soft and supple. This rich mink oil penetrates deep to moisturize and protect. It helps maintain the natural beauty of your leather goods. It creates a protective barrier against water damage. This will help keep your leather looking its best for longer. Simply apply a small amount and rub it in gently. It's easy to use and leaves your leather feeling great. It helps restore the suppleness and shine of dried out leather. Bring your leather back to life with this simple treatment. Provides long-lasting protection against the elements. Keep your leather looking new for years to come. What we like. This mink oil conditioner not only softens leather but also waterproofs it, providing extra protection against the elements. If you need to protect your leather from water damage while keeping it soft and supple, this is the ideal option. What people say. Works as expected. Doesn't bleed onto clothes. The oil seemed to just fill in the scratches but at the same time left no residue. It's a great product and did exactly what I was hoping it would do. It gave life to my boots from Rockport again. The differences are very evident. They look like the first time I took them out of the box. Number 1. Chemical Guys SPI_401_16. This conditioner is specially formulated to restore and maintain the beauty of your leather goods. It's a simple way to keep your leather looking and feeling its best for years to come. It uses a refined water-based formula with vitamin E and aloe. This helps moisturize and restore a soft, supple feel, preventing cracking and discoloration. After cleaning the surface, simply apply it with a microfiber applicator pad, work it in, and buff off any excess. You'll love the soft, natural look and feel. It's designed to maintain both coated and natural leather. The vitamin E and aloe help restore that soft feel, making a noticeable difference. It's perfect for all your leather items, car seats, jackets, shoes, bags, and more. Give all your leather goods the care they deserve. It has a subtle leather scent, and the vitamin E helps reduce daily wear and tear. This will keep your leather looking and smelling fresh. What we like. This conditioner uses vitamin E and aloe to restore leather's soft feel. It's suitable for all types of leather, from natural to synthetic. If you want a gentle yet effective conditioner that revitalizes all your leather items, this is the one to choose. What people say. This is now my go-to conditioner for automotive leather interior surfaces, as well as any vinyl or plastic surfaces. There is great UV protection here, and it makes everything look new without putting too much shine on the surface. It restores luster and is easy to apply. I use it 4 or so times a year and the leather in my vehicle looks like new. The 3-step system of clean, condition, protect works extremely well, in that order. Breathes softness and life back into any leather product. We use it in our vehicles as well as in-home leather furniture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.